Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. So, how many of you have heard that song sang to you? You don't have to tell me how many times. How many of you remember the exact date and time of your birth? Or at least was told. And how many of you were told where you were born? Well, for me, everything is made up. I don't know my birth date. I don't know the time. All I know is it's somewhere in Korea. Hello, my name is Shane Carlin, and I'm a Korean-American adoptee, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my story, my identity development, and give you some tips, if you will, for those that are interested, that have adoptees in their home, that know adoptees, or are interested in adopting. In terms of my own identity development as an adult, some of the things I've learned personally myself, and some of the things that I hope that people will gain through my personal experiences. Hello, my name is Shane Carlin. I'm the President and CEO of Asian Student Achievement. We're an organization to help move Asian and Asian Americans through the pipeline to leadership. And that's why I'm doing a speech on networking. Because too many times, Asian and Asian Americans don't have the soft skills to truly be competitive with the dominant culture. And in fact, I think I just said, my name is Shane Carlin, but it sounds Irish and I have this Korean face. And the reason why I bring that up, it's because that's my brand. So with that said, when you're thinking about networking, the first thing I want to recommend is that you find and develop your own brand. And one of those things is my brand in terms of my identity. My identity as an Asian American adoptee, and also someone who understands the plight of what Asian and Asian Americans go through. What's going to make you stand out in the metropolitan Nashville area that they're going to? What's going to make you stand out when they go to other schools like UCLA that's got over, 70, 80,000 students, right? Or University of Texas at Austin that's got about that many students. You see where I'm going with this, you all? You've got to make a first impression that is so memorable that they're going to remember. Abby's got to remember Jessica like this, right? Because when Jessica sends that email to Abby, you know how many emails Abby's getting per day? Thousands, because she's the CEO. And you know how many she's actually reading? Probably only 4 or 5. You know why? Because her assistant's probably reading all of those. When you're a CEO, big dog like that, that's what happens. So my point is this, is you really got to make a first impression. You really want to network like you want dinner, right? Let's give them a nice round of applause. Thank you so much. Have a seat.